Okay, this might be a little annoying, but because you can't see my picture, and I can't go to my little ladybug on the screen because it's not work. The ladybug is working fine. It's my MacBook Pro. There's a problem with the update or whatever on the MacBooks right now with their document cam with their on-screen camera, whatever. What do you call them? Those internal cameras or whatever. So I can't use my ladybug so you can see this, but I did want to talk about this problem 7. I just want to give you a heads up: the hot and neutral wires. Okay, for those of you who've never wired a house or worked with electricians or done anything like that, that includes me. Um, this is engineering speak or electrician speak for uh, running into the house is hot, running away from the house is neutral. Okay, so these two wires are going in two different directions. All right, so on problem 7, I'm going to write this down. I'm going to send you the thing. You've got the neutral wire going one way and the hot wire going the other way. Now you can solve this problem. Now you know what it means, neutral. And some of you might have looked it up. Okay, and it's on a commuter rail system. Oh, so one rail is going one direction. The current in one rail is going one direction. The current in the other rail is going another direction. Okay, and they're separated by 0.75 meters. All right. So what is the magnitude of the force between uh, 75 meters of these wires? Okay, so they give you on 75 meters of track, what is the magnitude of the force between them? They don't ask for the direction, but if we do the direction, we know that they're going in the just from our exam, since they're going in opposite. Wait, all of a sudden I'm having a moment here. So this is going into the page. It's going to, yeah. They're pushing each other away. Is their force? But this is just, you did this problem on your exam. It's just that you may not have known what hot and neutral wires were. All right. Moving on to the next problem that might be tricky. Let's look at 8 here real quick. What does they say? Now this one's simple. This one's simple. A magnetic field, 25 centimeters. This is just you're going around a big wire with 10,500 amps of battery fuel coming of current flowing out of it. Question number 9 was the last one I wanted to talk to you about. And right here it says a solenoid. Oh, good. What is the current through the wires of the solenoid? Your equation in terms of known quantities. All right, so I can do this for you. I should have done this in class because solenoids are what MRIs and CAT scans use. That's why they're circular. They've got thousands of wires. Look at this, 6,500 turns. But this isn't even a major solenoid. This is definitely not an MRI. The magnetic field at the center of the solenoid be 2.4 meters. What are we trying to sell? What is the current through the wires of the circuit? Well, here's what we do. To get an equation for the current, you have to know what the B field is. All right, and I'm going to write down the B field on this sheet of paper, which you can't see, which is equal to mu naught. They give me mu naught. I'll just click it in here. I'm going to write this wrong. So it is equal to mu naught n, little n, times I. Okay, and little n is equal to, and here's what little n is equal to. It is equal to the 6,500 turns divided by 0.25. Or you can say n over L. R has nothing to do with it whatsoever. R has nothing to do with it whatsoever. So what is the current through the wires? Write your equation in terms. So I'm going to write the equation for current. And I'm going to do it this way. B I is equal to, and I'm doing this so I don't have to log back in real quick, is equal to, shit. Sorry. It's just, I don't like it when my day is like turned upside down for something that's not my fault. So if I want I get BL over mu naught times n. I'm going to see if this is right. This might set you up because number of turns, yeah. because you take big N over L and you get the little I. So this is wrong. This mu naught is wrong to start off with. I'm going to go ahead and put parentheses and go BL, B times the length, divided by parentheses, mu naught N. Let's see if this works. I think it should. Close parentheses. Submit. Hey! There you go. Use that formula and you're golden. All right, out here.